welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to do your basic lighting or maybe your basic light in Blender. Yes, so that's what we'll be doing today. So what you do is quickly delete all you have on your preset, or all you have on your default settings, and then you add your mesh. After that, you add light, then you drag your light all the way up because it will come at this, it will stay at this very point. So all you need to do is drag it up, and after which you add your sphere. I added a circle, so I'll be deleting, and then I'll add a sphere. So once I add a sphere, I'll scale it up, and then bring it up a little bit. Then I'll shade smooth. Yes, I'll shade smooth. Then after that, I will scale the base, the floor more, scale it up a bit so it will be more bigger than what it was. Then I will bring my sphere down a bit, then hit on my icon here, my render view icon here. As you can see, I'm not having anything showing because I have a low light. My light is quite low, and also I have not applied some materials that can help with the lighting. So I'll quickly go back. You can see there is no real light happening. There's nothing happening there. So when I switch to another mode, there we're having this, which is not really what we want. So all we need to do is we'll quickly add materials and add material, a checker material here, a checker texture material here. Then after that, we'll go back to our render view here to see what we have. So we have this. So we are not still feeling the light, so we'll go back to our light, increase the power, increase it to 1000. Then on 1000 you're having something more presentable. So this is how the basic way to light up your add lights, more realistic light, if I'm allowed to use that. It's not so realistic though, but the idea is just to be able to add light in your environment and have something worthwhile. So that is pretty much it, guys. So ensure if you're adding more lights, ensure you duplicate from the one you have. Then if you do that, you will notice that we're having double shadow. So just need to do is to place the light where you want it to be, and then quickly turn off the shadow, so we're having just one shadow. Yes, that way we're having more realistic shadow, because light is meant to come from a source, one source, most times one source. So you're meant to show that the light is coming from a source. So there are other light options like sun, spot and area, but we are using points for now. So that is it, guys. And also ensure that you have your light placed at 45 degrees. Yes, that's how you can get something much realistic. At least start from 45 degrees and then find a way how you can introduce light in other areas if need be. Right, so guys, this is how to add lights to your scene or environment right inside Blender. Currently I'm working on Blender 3.0, so that is it, guys. So I want to see if I can add some materials or maybe some effect on my checker floor, or my checker floor base. So I'm trying to see if I can do some make it look more real. So I'm trying to play around with my roughness and metallic. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Do what you like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification, and possibly drop in your comments, questions, if any, and I'll be right there to answer them. Enjoy.